Hello, Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Shayandeep welcome you all. Today I am here to share a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI. The name of this particular idea which I will share today is Water Conservation under the case study Moral and Human Values. This particular case study has been prepared by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Let's talk about this particular idea. Now, we all know how important is water for our survival and how important it is to save water on a daily basis. Now, this particular thing is induced in the minds of the students from a very young age, and it is also given to them in the form of an activity. Let's see how. The students we know, they bring water in water bottles to school every day, and most of the times it has been seen that the entire water is not used up by them for drinking. Many a times the water which is left, the students throw it away in the roads or other places. Now the students teaches them a very simple water conservation principle from this. The teacher tells the student that whatever water is remaining in your water bottle, in the end of the day, you pour it on a large container that is kept in a particular place near their classroom. Now, when this thing is done by all the students on a particular day, there is a lot of water in that container. This particular water which is there in the container is used for various activities. For example, gardening, wiping the floor, cleaning clothes, or other activities too. Sometimes the students are also instructed to use the remaining water which is there in their water bottle to water the plants in the garden all by themselves only. When this activity is conducted, not only the usefulness of saving water is taught to the student, but the students experientially understand how important it is to save water, and it becomes a useful habit for the students, so that even when they go back home they can do these kind of practices to save the water. I hope you like this particular idea and you will surely make sure that you will implement it in your respective classrooms. If you want to see more of such idea videos, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you. Namaskar.